Hello everyone. Then next we see the next practical experiment. Name is the C amplifier. Means the common emitter amplifier. Aim of this practical is to study the voltage gain, input impedance and output impedance of common emitter amplifier circuit. Then common emitter is the most common amplifier configuration for an NPN transistor is that of common emitter amplifier circuit. This single stage common emitter amplifier circuit shown above uses what is commonly called voltage divider biasing. Then apparatus of this experiment are BJT, means bipolar junction transistor, BJT, BC148 resistors. Okay, there are 4 resistors. Then capacitor, 2 capacitors are used. Then function generator FG for given input voltage or input frequency. Then CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope for give the output of the CRO. Then power supply gives the 10 volt VCC positive power supply. Multimeter for the output check and etc. are the apparatus. Then part first is the determination of voltage gain. In this part first determination of voltage gain, apparatus are the connect the circuit as per circuit diagram, get it checked and apply power to the circuit. Connect AC input signal of 1 kHz with power amplitude from function generator. Third, observe the input and output waveforms on CRO. Fourth, measure the voltage of input and output waveform on CRO and note down it. Calculate the voltage gain. Okay, this is the circuit for the determination of voltage gain. Part first. Observations for the part first. Input voltage. We give the input voltage at FG. Then output voltage give the CRO. This is the output of the collector. Then the calculation, voltage gain equal to V out upon V in equal to in voltage. Okay. Then second part is the determination of output impedance. The procedure of this part second is the first connect the circuit as per circuit diagram, get it checked and apply power to the circuit. Connect AC input signal. Connect AC input signal of 1 kHz with proper amplitude from function generator. Third procedure, observe the output waveform on CRO, and fourth is measure the output voltage by removing the infinity key from resistance box and note down the reading. Determination of output impedance second part मध्ये आपण फक्त resistance box जोडणार आहे across the collector and second terminal is the ground. Okay. Then fifth procedure is the now removing the key from resistance box in such a way that the output voltage is reduced half of the previous output voltage, that means V out by 2. Observations of this part second is the output voltage V out removing by infinity key, and second observation is resistance required to reduce the output voltage to up to V out by 2 in resistance in ohm. Then third part of the common emitter amplifier is the determination of input impedance. Procedure for this experiment, first connect the circuit as per circuit diagram, get it checked and apply power to the circuit. Then second, connect IC input signal of 1 kHz, proper amplitude from function generator. And fourth is the measure the voltage at point A and point B using CRO, and then calculate input impedance. Third part मध्ये extra resistors are used, that means 10 kilo ohm resistor are connect. Observations for the Part 3, determination of input impedance are the first input resistors Rn equal to 10 kilo ohm. Then applied input voltage V in volt. Third is the voltage measured at point A is a VA in volt. And fourth is voltage measured at point B is VB in volt. Then calculations, voltage drop across resistors are in formula है VAB equal to VA minus VB in volt. Then calculate the input current I in the calculation. We see the input current I in equal to VAB upon R in 10 kilo ohm. That means the input current I in equal to VAB upon is divided by 10 kilo ohm. And then last calculation is the input impedance of C amplifier circuit, that is Zn equal to VIN upon In kilo ohm. Then the result of this experiment is the parameter of the common emitter amplifier are first is the voltage gain AV, then second input impedance Zin in kilo ohm, and third is the output impedance Z out in ohm. This is the chart explanation for the C amplifier, means common emitter amplifier. Here the chart description is complete. Thank you.